Go. Oh my god. So deep. Alright, come on. Sorry, didn't mean to. One snowboarder and 4 skiers. Fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
This comes off, I've got enough on Mitch now. Mitch got to ride a bike.
Yeah. No, let's do this one first. So I cleared this one off, look.
The first thing I'm going to do is ski backwards.
That's it. Toe in, heel in, push.
So you need to do a bigger pizza than that. See, you just stop yourself. Well done, high five. Right.
Oh. I'm super impressed. You skied all that bit to Nanny and stop. Yeah. Oh no! It really pulls you off, doesn't it? Lost the ski? Oh, you kept it there. How did you do that?
Just there.
Oh no!
The first time even I nearly came off.
Nearly went through Mark's legs.
I didn't know. I didn't know what to expect, but you did.
Yeah, I think we need lunch.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, can we take that one then?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're going to do that now.
How was your first morning skiing?
Over.
Yeah?
Quite a lot.
Yeah?
I had 2 teachers.
2 teachers?
Came one
Yeah.
whole lesson. One was a bit more patient than the other one. One was a bit more grumpy. Didn't try. Didn't mean to be.
But I think it was a good team. Good teamwork.
Yeah.
And you did the whole run, 2 button lifts, piece of cake.
Not doing something.
We had a good first day, successful, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you love it?
Yeah, little moments.
Yeah, we did have a few little moments. And now we're gonna...
Show you the big icicle.
I will, yeah. Now we're gonna... Matilda's on the phone outside the section.
And then just turn it around.
Boom. Nice view, can't really see it. Massive icicle.
So manga.
And now we're gonna get in the swimming pool.
I could be a ninja. Where is
It's
it?
not straight. Ask me about my ninja. Tell me about your ninja.
Ask me about a ninja.
Tell me about your ninja.
I can't do it.
Do it. Come on, you can do it. Oh my god. Very good. Good successful first day. Then we had a nice little swim in the pool in the hot tub. The sun's coming out now, blue sky above us.
Smashed your helmet.
Yeah, helmet saved me.
Wrapped my leg around a metal pylon.
Did you enjoy your first day?
Yeah, but it hurt my toes. Just
Yeah.
got cold. I'm
Yeah.
nauseous.
That happens. It's going to be sunny tomorrow, so
Oh.